Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing a quick release. Tell you how to do that. If you come over here, this is the hub. First thing you want to buy, you make sure you have your hub. It's called a shore hub. I'll leave a link in the description. This is all NRG or energy. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. This is your quick release. This right here, the hub is about 95. NRG quick release 3.0. It's about 160. And I took out this button right here so that all you have to do is release the quick release and not click the button. And last but not least, you have your quick release steering wheel, NRG, about $110. All this I'll have a link in the description. I'll probably just leave a link into their website where you guys can look into all their products. What you're going to do while installing your quick release, you have to disconnect your battery because you will be pulling out your airbag and you wouldn't want an airbag going off in your face. Alright guys, first thing you're going to do, this is a 1998 3000 GT base model. You got two screws right here you're going to want to take out. Right now I got a T30 bit. I'm going to take these out. Alright, got the two screws loosened, okay? You're going to have this wire back here, and this one is taped. So, that means this car has possibly been into an accident. There we go. That's out. Airbag out. Okay, so you got the airbag off. You're going to disconnect all these connections right here. Make sure nothing's connected. And you unbolt this right here. You got your 17 millimeter. But you won't take the nut all the way off because if you pull it, you're going to smack yourself in the face. You don't do that. So wiggle this off. I already did it. Wiggle this off. Be careful, behind your steering wheel will be your clock spring. You don't want to mess that up. So all your connections back here. Guys, so I got the hub on. This is 3000 GT 98. So I got two screws back here that'll screw through and hold these together with a metal piece. See how tight it is? And put the hub on. I had to get rid of the connections, so I most likely won't have a horn, otherwise it wouldn't have fit. So long way around, you could wire it through and wire it, but you know, I'm really just trying to get this done, and the horn on these cars sounds terrible anyway, so I'm just gonna have to go without. But anyway, next thing you're do, you're tighten down this. It'd be good if you lock your steering wheel first. And the steering wheel's locked center, so okay, we're good. That's locked. Next thing, we'll go quick release. Alright, so next step is installing the back piece to your quick release. I have it disconnected already. So I'm going to run these in and I'll get back to you. If you're wondering, you don't need to put these screws back in because that attaches to the steering wheel, as you can see out there. The bolt that goes in, the nut size is 17 millimeter if you're wondering, but all these are tightened. And I'm going to put the quick release on. And if you're wondering, like I said earlier, I'm going to make sure this is right. Boom. There's my quick release. It's on straight. Pop it off. Back on. Next, I'm going to put the steering wheel on. So just, alright guys, putting on the steering wheel. Looking pretty good so far. I'm definitely pleased. Look, quick release. It feels amazing. We'll be banging gears in no time, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll get back to you as soon as we got this all the way in. Everybody, sorry if you can hear the people in the background, but I'm at home. There's people outside. Excuse my car being a little dirty, but I'm on my own right now. I was gonna go for a drive, but friends had to leave, so. Here's a quick release right now, and the clock spring behind it, I had to disconnect half of it and completely take it out. So if you were wondering, my horn does not work because you'd have to get like a wiring schematic to where whatever wire that's from underneath here, from the clock spring, the back half of the clock spring, you'd have to do a schematic to run it back up through. So, I mean, you could do that if you were really into it, but I really don't care for a horn that much, and that's what I did. But once you have the back half or the front half of that clock spring off, you can then put on your hub. And then after your hub, you put on your quick release. And then what I did was I separated my quick release from my steering wheel, so it was easier to put on to the hub. And then I screwed it on to the steering wheel after I put the hub on. So it goes hub, back half of the quick release, front half of the quick release, and then steering wheel. But that's pretty much everything. Thank you guys for watching the video today, and if you want to see anything else, obviously I'll have the SL I'll be working on, but for a full review, I would like to say that my quick release steering wheel is great quality. I would definitely recommend NRG. I've seen some reviews on some really poor Chinese steering wheels from like Wish or whatever, but if you're looking for not going to destroy the wallet, but it's definitely not your cheap route, it's the NRG brand. I would definitely recommend it. So 10 out of 10 on that part, and just overall I would definitely recommend this. Thanks for watching, guys. Get me back on the next video. Stay tuned. Have a good one.